We love air pop popcorn. We believe in its healthiness over microwave popcorn. We were so excited when we got our first popcorn maker until the first time I used it. I realized how barbaric and unsafe it was. To turn it off, you simply had to yank the plug out. I've devised 4 options to correct this. We will show you those today. The first option that I devised on my very first prototype was I took an old hair dryer and cut the cord off of it. On hair dryers, you have a GFCI button that you can push to on and off start it. This option works and is quite the conversational piece amongst our friends and family when they come over and see it. But there's a couple things I didn't like about it. Number one, my popcorn maker is no longer street legal. I can't enter this in any popcorn making contests and forget any warranty that I had. That's all out the window now. So this option, while it works, I had to modify it, and it's not my favorite, it's not the cleanest. So we're gonna try some other options. So option number 2 is to use your GFCI outlets in your kitchen. So you plug your popcorn maker into an outlet that's connected to the GFCI switch. You have it turned off and you can turn it on. The popcorn maker works, and then you can turn it off by your GFCI switch. As you can see, that wasn't very suave or cool. It was a little difficult, a little startling having that GFCI pop on and off. Plus, our coffee maker is connected to that GFCI switch. So if I don't remember to reset the coffee maker, tomorrow morning is going to be a really bad thing. But it's an option nonetheless. As we're working our way through different options, this third option is a pretty good one. We're going to use a power strip. You're going to simply plug your popcorn maker into your power strip. Plug your power strip into your outlet. Now we're going to utilize the built-in switch to run our popcorn maker. On, off, safe, effective, a great out-of-the-box option. The only issue that I have with the power strip is you've got all these plugs that aren't needed. It's large, it's not quite the custom look I'm looking for, but it's an option nonetheless. Option number 4, my personal favorite, is we're going to create our own custom box with an outlet switch so that we can plug our popcorn maker into this and control it. It's going to be elegant. It's going to be useful in many, many other applications. I really can't think of any at this time, but I'm sure we'll be able to use it. So what I did is I went to my junk box, as we all have, and I had an extra appliance cord. I think from an old garbage disposal. You saved it just in case. After that, I went to big box store and I purchased an outlet switch, a little box to put it in, and a cover plate to make this job safe. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut our cord to length. We're going to wire in the outlet, add our safety plate, and then we're going to go back to the lab and test it out. We're going to cut our cord to the desired length using our wire cutters. After we've cut the cord, we're going to strip back the wire approximately a 1/2 inch. There's gauges on your outlet that'll show you how far you need to do it. As part of this process, we'll break open a tab on the box to run our wiring through. Once we do that, we're going to remove the tab on the outlet switch, which basically separates the two from each other, the switch from the outlet. We'll then connect our hot, ground, and neutral wire. We're then going to take a piece of our leftover wire and do a jumper so that we're now connecting the switch to the outlet. We'll then screw this onto the box. And finally, we'll add our cover plate. We've completed the project. Now it's time to take it to the lab and test it out. While the popcorn could use a little butter and salt, the custom switch is super satisfying. I guarantee you don't know anyone else who has a switch like that. It's custom. People will talk about it when they come over. They might mostly make fun, but how many people do you know have a custom switch for their popcorn maker? We hope you enjoyed this video this week. It was strictly for fun. We hope you subscribe and check out Mighty Fortress Academy. Thanks for watching.